I fell in love with garbage, which sounds crazy, but I love it. I love solid waste infrastructure. I love making people's lives better through engineering. My name is Maggie Deadrick. I am a recent graduate from the environmental engineering program here at the University of Florida. I graduated in May of 2024. I took an AP environmental science class in high school, and we visited a wastewater treatment plant. And I thought it was the coolest thing ever. I was like, wow, this is amazing. And we've been doing it for hundreds of years. And the process has evolved, but it's largely the same. And so that's why I wanted to become an environmental engineer. So now I work at a consulting firm, and I work in the solid waste group. So what we do for our clients is we design like landfills and other solid waste infrastructure. Mostly for municipalities, counties, mostly for public clients. What I find most rewarding about my career is just seeing the differences that what I work on can make. I like empowering people to make educated decisions that impact their communities. Hopefully, in 2028, I will earn my PE license so I can become a professional engineer. I think UF did a really good job of setting me up for that. UF has opportunities in the classroom and outside of the classroom. I took a capstone course, which I think most engineering majors have to do, and we worked on real engineering problems on a team, and we had to work in a team dynamic. That was incredibly useful, and I use the skills that I learned in that class every day now. Engineering is a team sport, and you need to be able to work well in a team and know what you bring to a team and know your strengths and know your weaknesses so that you can ask questions and can better and learn. And I think the University of Florida offered me lots of opportunities to work in teams in my classes and my extracurriculars. Like I said, I'm an environmental engineer, but I was involved with Concrete Canoe, which is mainly civil engineers. And I think that UF affords a lot of interdisciplinary work. In the lab that I worked in, we did interdisciplinary work. And so it was like, I'm not just learning about environmental engineering, I'm learning about engineering from a holistic approach. I feel like a lot of engineers can become closed off and they're introverts, but you can all be introverts together. UF is full of very talented people all around you, and everyone I've worked with here has just been amazing. So I would say, don't try to do it all yourself. I know in my department, we have something called Evening with Industry that allows you to connect with industry contacts. There's lots of other networking events. I know the mechanical engineering program does that too. But I would just say, utilize all the tools that UF made for you to use. They're there for you.